Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Gordon Xavier here today to support you in your evolutionary journey. Today we have a question coming from Life of God. Like that name. What's going on, brother? Thank you for connecting with me and supporting yourself in this journey by getting connected and asking questions. I appreciate you. So what Life of God wants to know today, asked if I can make a video on how to get your crush. Right? So I thought this would be a really, really great topic. And I'd love to support you in that, because that's a good feeling, right? Like to be able to connect with someone that you got a crush on and to give that love and to receive that love and to build a relationship. And so the first thing I'm going to do in this video is support you by helping you change your language, right? You asked, how do you get your crush, right? And to me, that I hear that language and I hear there is obstacles already embedded into that particular way of looking at what it is you want to do. You're saying you want to get your crush, right? And to me, this makes it seem like a mission, like there's something extra that you have to do in order to connect with this person. And so what I'm hearing that what you want to do is you want to connect with the person that you like on a more deep level. You want to deeply connect with this person that you like. That's what you want to do. You don't want to get them, right? Like, what are they, a Pokemon? What are you going to throw a Pokeball at them and capture them? Shh, got them. Got to catch them all, right? You don't want to get your crush. You want to build a relationship with this person that you admire, that you have feelings for. You want to build a relationship and you want to connect. So that's the first thing I want to support you with is to change your language, to get out of that consciousness, because what comes with getting your crush, what comes with that is, okay, well, now there's a heavy emphasis on you doing a particular thing. And when there's a heavy emphasis on you doing a particular thing, now you got to impress this person. You got to say all the right things. Now you got to woo this person. And this, in my experience and what I've seen in other people that I've worked with, is a great way to push the person away, and a great way to put pressure on yourself, right? Because connecting with someone in a loving way should be a freeing experience, right? It should be an expressive, freeing, fun experience, not this intense mission where you have objectives and you have to make sure you cross all the things off the list in order to accomplish the mission. Right? This isn't what we want to do here, right? You want to connect, build a relationship, and so that's the first thing, is to change our language and moving forward to recognize there's nothing you have to do special. There's nothing special you have to do to connect with this person besides connect with this person, right? And if you want to, I'll go back to your term, get the crush, my advice, my personal opinion is to be authentic. Just be authentic. Just keep it real, right? That way you can properly connect, right? If it's less about what you have when you approach this person, it's less about what you do when you approach this person, and it's more about who you're being. That's where it's at. That's where the magic is at. If you take your mind off of all that other stuff and you allow yourself to be you, well, the light that's within you will get to shine and light this person up. You can be relaxed, you can be at ease, you can flow, and you can have a genuine conversation. You can have a genuine connection with this person. And that's the best place to start in terms of having a relationship with anybody, because if you're coming from a place of trying to impress them and then say you do something that impresses them, well, now you're going to still be living in the consciousness of like you have to keep constantly impressing them to keep them. And that's not true, right? You're already impressive. You're already a beautiful person. So if anything, the thing that I'd say do in order to get your crush is to acknowledge that. Is to acknowledge and get in touch with how beautiful of a person you are. And to come from that place, and to come from the place of, I just want to share that with you. And in addition to that awareness of that you're a beautiful person, also be mindful of that, once again, you're going in to connect with this person. And by getting your crush, you're going in to impress an idea of this person, right? Because like the crush, really, you don't even know this person. Like, you know them somewhat, they're your crush, but you haven't established like a real deep relationship with them yet. So you're more so infatuated with an idea of this person as opposed to the actual person. So drop the crush, drop the need to impress, tap into yourself, be with yourself, be yourself, come from your authentic, truest self, and then step into the actual world of this person and be genuinely interested in them. Be genuinely interested in them and curious, and be in their world. Get to know them. Ask questions and genuinely listen, right? If you drop the need to impress them, if you drop the need to get them, right, and you just go and connect, you'll be able to be present. It's gonna be hard to be present if in your head, when you're interacting with them, you're like, okay, how do I get this person? I gotta get this person. I gotta say the right thing, do the right thing. It's gonna be hard to be present, and you're gonna miss the connection. You're gonna be too in your head to actually connect in your heart to their heart. So first things first, to recap and to finish up, first things first is to drop the need to get them. Drop that. Drop the need to like impress them, right? And just step into authenticity. Second thing is to genuinely be interested in them. Like, and the only way that's going to be possible is if you drop that first stuff, if you do the first thing, the second thing will come a lot easier. You can genuinely be interested and present with them when you go talk with them. And, the third idea that may support you is to, take them off of the pedestal of the crush. Oh, this person, this idea, this person I've been fantasizing and dreaming about. Take them off that pedestal and recognize they're a person just like you. And they have a history and a past and a life just like you. They're deep, just like you. And take them off that pedestal and just, go back to, make it less important to get them, and more important to just simply connect and to give in to your curiosity of this person and go be present with them. It's a simple thing. Getting your crush is not this complicated thing. There's no need for pickup lines. There's no need for all these techniques and strategies. Just go genuinely be interested in them and connect. And if that person is resistant or is not vibing with you or not connecting with you, then, and you're being your authentic self, keep connecting, keep holding space, like keep sending love. And also consider that maybe this person isn't who you thought they were, right? Maybe there was like a, maybe there was more, you were more attached to an idea of them as opposed to the reality of them. And be open to whatever happens. Be detached from the outcome. That's what I'm saying. Be detached from the outcome. And go connect with them for the sake of connecting with them. Go connect with them because you feel something in your heart. And you want to see where that goes. That's how you get your crush. And maybe that person isn't the person that you're meant to get, but it's the first step towards that meaningful connection that one day you're going to create for yourself. So with all this being said, I hope this supports you in your evolutionary journey. I hope you found this valuable. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, leave a comment, and share with us. What do you think? What do you think, Life of Guy? What do you think, whoever else is watching this? What do you think about what I shared? And what do you think you should do? What do you think makes the most sense? I'd love to hear your wisdom and your thoughts and your ideas and your expertise as well. So at the end of the day, once again, there's nothing but love for you here on this channel. Thank you for connecting. Thank you for watching. Till next time, y'all be easy. Peace.